Hello everyone, Tesak here, and I'm gonna show you how to get through this thing. Please open a pattern by double clicking on it. Uh, this is not leading me anywhere much as a very newbie in LMMS, and by googling and asking AI and asking people around, checking YouTube, I struggled to understand what people want me to do to actually get through this. So I'm gonna show you. Uh, If you just start a new project, you're looking probably at this. This is the base settings. So you probably figure out that you can open beat and baseline editor, no issues, and start working with the kicker and stuff like that pretty much straight away. The piano roll, as we've seen, is not that easy and the tooltip is not helpful. Anyway, to actually make it work, you will have to add extra beat or bassline in here. This is your song editor. This is where you actually put the song together. Then double click it, which takes us to specific beat and bassline editor for this sound specifically. So whatever you do here is gonna be can be represented later in here. Okay. Then finally in here we can take our sounds from instrument plugins. You can find the instrument plugin in here. There is a list of plugins. This is basically just the default plugins plus VeSTIge, which is highly recommended to be downloaded, and I will show you how to work with VeSTIge as well later. Now let's say we just want to make triple oscillator because that's the default thing that we already have here. So you can drag and drop it here, then right click on this in here in this timeline, open in piano roll, and now you can work with this and just make sounds in there. Just keep in mind this one of the blocks in here is actually 4 blocks in here, like it's the whole section. I don't know how this works. I'm not sound guy, so I don't understand this at all. I'm just using LMMS to create sounds for my game, and for what I do, this is enough. So uh, please don't witch hunt me in the comments. I have no idea what this does exactly, but this is how you make the piano roll work actually with the sounds most people want, I assume. And if you just mess around enough and experiment, you'll probably figure the rest out. That's how we work with it with the default plugins and instruments as well. But how do you actually make it work with VeSTIge? Because to my best knowledge, to actually do a lot of stuff with LMMS is that you have to use VeSTIge. And if we use VeSTIge, and let me just delete this to get rid of it, and do the same thing, there's no sound, right? No sound. No sound is being played. So how do you actually get past that? So let's keep this open. Let's open VeSTIge. And it says no VST plugin loaded. So you really need to point the VeSTIge to its plugin folder. So if you click on this icon,
you'll open the browser. And now, for me, for what I'm doing, I just have a few plugins in here. So I'm going to go into the folder where my plugins are, which should be, if I remember correctly, in my documents. And if I can navigate the documents in this awful UI, it would be awesome. Yeah, it's there. LMMS plugins, and let's say the brass.
because that's what I've been using. Double click on the DLL. Now it's gonna load the plugin, hopefully. Yep, it's loaded. And when I click play, we have sound now. And you can work with this like it's the normal plugin. And then, just like normally, you can add it here. And it plays in the song. So hopefully this helped you. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel because I'll be doing randomly more tutorials or just playing games, enjoying the stuff, you know.